So today is May 18th, and we'll talk about what I accomplished yesterday and what I plan to accomplish today. Yesterday was a pretty productive day. Today, number one, my car has been in the shop for 6 weeks. I had to literally call the company and threaten them. I had my girlfriend, who's an attorney, on the line about to go to pick up my car, but now it's ready today. So just remember, I said that to remember that everything that we do in our lives affect us as founders. For example, not having a car for 6 weeks. I had my girlfriend's son's car. I was riding around in a Toyota Corolla like I was in college for 6 weeks. So again, my name is Natasha Norie Standard. I am the CEO and founder of 2 footwear companies, but we're going to talk about the chronicles of a founder. So today, again, I said it was 5/18, and we're going to discuss what happened yesterday. So I did small things like updated the website. The website's done, it's updated. Won't have to do that for another couple months. I also signed up for a class, a AI class for women over 50 by Cheryl Mosey. I'm going to put her information in the description in the bio. So click on that. I'm also wearing, I'm going to yoga class. So I'm also wearing Yoga Democracy. And this is one of my girlfriends. She's an investor in this company. And it's very cute, very comfortable, very aligned. I'll take a picture and put it online. Then I got in touch with, like I said yesterday, I have I've been onboarding with a company that has 106 stores. Onboarding is complete. Now we have to connect EDI. So, and the purchase order will come EDI. And the great thing about having EDI is that the purchase order comes through EDI, and then you're automatically paid through EDI. So that is done and established. If anyone that is a founder has any questions about EDI, DM me, because it's a bitch. But I figured out the bitch. I'll say it again. I figured it out, and I know the least costly way to do it in the most efficient way. So I really figured out that girl. So yesterday I found out that I looked at my EIN on the IRS website, no show, even though I've been in business for 7 years. So now I have to call the IRS to figure out where is my EIN. Why is it not showing up in the website? And oh, by the way, in January, I submitted my paperwork for to establish a C Corp. Where is that information? Why isn't the IRS tracking it? And why hasn't the IRS gotten back with me? So that's something that I'll be following up on. Let's see. So I'm working on samples. My United States Marine Corps samples are on the way. And then I'm going to make some samples for Norie. And I'm looking forward to those samples as well. Last night, I got online. ChatGPT and Claude helped me create a plan for this docuseries and what and how I should bring my information to you. I'm super excited about it. I know that this is a hard path, but we're going to get through this. And so what I've learned over the years of being a military officer and being a founder now is that you have to know your premium hours. My premium hours are early in the morning. I love getting up early in the morning, getting all my stuff done, and then maybe take a nap at 12. But I do love getting up early because that is the premium hours for my brain to operate and output premium products. I know that for myself. You have to stay consistent. You have to say, hey, I'm going to work from Monday to Friday. I'm going to work Sunday to Tuesday. Stay consistent on what you do. And then you have to focus on wellness. This is a very difficult thing that we're trying to do, whatever product or service you're trying to bring to the market. But you always have to remember wellness, and always remember that every business started with $1. Every business. Thank you. Until tomorrow.